Let's see the next theorem of a circle, which is basically theorem 6. What does theorem 6 says? Theorem 6 says that if, let's say, this is circle 1 and this is circle 2, and let's say R1 or radius of circle 1 is 5 centimeter and R2 is also equal to 5 centimeter. If this is the case, then circle 1 is congruent to circle 2, which means that if you put circle 2 over circle 1, it will be an exact replica. Now theorem 6 says that if you draw two chords, let's say A, B, C, D, and let's say both these chords are 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Theorem 6 says that equal chords of a circle are equidistant from center. Now in this case we have chord AB is equal to chord CD is equal to 4 centimeter. If you apply this theorem, this would mean that if you draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle to this chord, let's say the center is O, then this distance, let's say this is point O, this is point P, or let's say this is Q. So OQ will be equal to OP. Why? Because both these chords are equal and they lie within the same circle. Well, this is the most easiest of the way I could have shown it. Let me take it a different way. Suppose chord CD was something like this. Okay? And here also chord CD was equal to 4 centimeter. Chord AB was equal to 4 centimeter. In this case also, if you would have drawn a perpendicular from point O to point, let's say again Q, then in this case also OP will be equal to OQ. So what I'm trying to demonstrate here is that the chord could be in either of the direction. Suppose if you had another chord here, let's say LM, and LM was also 4 centimeter, then the distance between O and the middle of this, let's say point R, then this OR would also have been equal, which is whatever the distance was. Let's say it is 3 centimeter. So this is the rule or the theorem which says that equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Now let's say, as I told you, these two circles are congruent. Circle 1 and circle 2. In such a case, what will mean is that even if there is a chord, let's say x, y equal to 4 centimeter here, then the distance between the center of the circle here, let's say this is O1 and this was say E, then O1E will also be equal to 3 centimeter, which is the distance here, because these two circles are congruent. So we expand this theorem to say that equal chords of a circle or of equal chords of congruent circle are equidistant from center.